Yep, another Ford Ranger, but this one's a little bit special. Look at it, it's fantastic. It looks absolutely amazing if you like this sort of look. I'm going to quickly go around and sort of spot the difference. What is the different about this car than your standard Ford Ranger? Well, the obvious thing is this huge light bar in the grille. I love everything about this look. You've then got the black finish to the grille. You've then got the front bumper bars here. And you can't help but notice the extended arches. You've then got the upgraded multi-spoke forged 20-inch alloy wheels, mud flaps, side steps finished in black. Have you seen them? Pod lights at the top. And then as you come around to the back of the car, you've got the black finish to the rear railings, tinted rear lights, heavy duty tow bar, and it's bed lined already. Now this is a 24 registration with literally 600 miles on. Ford Ranger Wildtrak, the 3-litre V6 version with thousands and thousands of pounds spent on it. This is a very bespoke version. A lot of times we'll go and buy one, which is difficult to buy it and so on. And then what happens is you spend thousands on it. Well, this one's fully done for you already, so you don't need to mess about. The car doesn't need to be out of action for a few weeks. It's just ready to go. And it probably is one of the best ones I've ever had. Now, like I said, delivery miles, carbonised grey, it's a 3-litre V6, front rear parking sensors. It's got everything from the Ford LED lighting system, the wheels, the arches, light new condition, under manufacturer's warranty. The pod lights work off a switch underneath the steering wheel. With it being the Wildtrak, you have the Wildtrak interior. Now remember, this is a brand new model vehicle, so you have all the new features like the elongated touchscreen media zone, multifunction steering wheel with adaptive cruise control, the Wildtrak stitching, full leather interior, automatic gearbox with the different driving modes that are available, twin cup holders. It's just got everything. There's top dash here, bottom dash there. There's also cup holders just here, one this side, one the other side. The fixed side steps really do help you get in and out the car. It's a 5-seater. Now remember, it's a commercial. This car's going live for 54,990 plus VAT, and it isn't going to hang around because there's about £8,000 worth of bits on it. Look at the back. It is light new, but in the right colour, right specification, and a little bit special to say the very least. You've got the steps now on the sides here, which you can jump onto to climb on to tie things down. The tow bar that I've mentioned already. As I mentioned, it's already bedlined, just ready to go. If you then want to put a roller shutter on it, put a back on it, that's easy enough done. There's a lot of firms up and down the country that can easily do that for you, not an issue. But the car is just ready to go. I absolutely love the way it looks. The right engine, power output, and then as for the driver's zone, you've got the full digital dashboard there, electric windows and mirrors with folding mirrors, push button start, centre armrest, which is also leather wrapped, and there's lots of space. The driver's seat is electrically adjustable. This is absolutely amazing. My name's Joe. If you like what you see here, my name and number's on the screen. This one, again, isn't going to hang around for too long. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.